Today we're showing you a 2018 John Deere 3025E four-wheel drive tractor. Has a 300E front-end loader that goes with the tractor. Has just under 200 hours. Comes with the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into 2025. It's a nice clean little tractor, perfect size for property maintenance. Does have the quick attach John Deere quick attach system here in your bucket. The front of the hood does have a little bit of damage. We touched it up slightly here. Good, you can see it in the video here, but we touched it up slightly here, and then top of the hood does have some very minor paint chips as well. But overall, a very clean tractor. Again, just under 200 hours. Has the 3-point hitch, 540 PTO, LED rear work light, top of the roll bar there, R4 tires. Engine does not regen, has none of the Tier 4 emissions on it. High-low range here for your forward and reverse. You have two pedals over there to the right for your forward and reverse. PTO engagement over there to the right, as well as your 3-point lever. Just a nice, clean little tractor, perfect again for property maintenance. If you have any questions regarding this tractor, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com. We have approximately 130 to 150 used tractors on our yard. You can check our website for current inventory. We can arrange shipping anywhere here within the U.S. We also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions, please contact us.